Find all your affiliate marketing answers in these simple tips and tricks. Whether you're just a novice in affiliate marketing trying to get a strong start, or you want to get more out of your existing affiliate program, this video can give you some great advice to achieve your goals. Apply the ideas you learn here, and before you know it, you'll be an affiliate success story. Define your goals before you start working if you want to achieve the best results. This is something all business owners have to do, and it doesn't change simply because your business operates online. Take your time and write down your goals and overall mission. Having something solid to aspire to will help you reach your destination. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, choose items that sell for high prices over low-priced products. While this seems counterproductive at first, the effort it takes to market each of these items is the same, so it makes more sense to promote a product that will earn you more. To gain the trust of readers you are marketing to, only promote quality products. When a reader sees you promoting products known to be good, they will find it easier to believe what you say about products they're unfamiliar with. Promoting quality products will also encourage readers to listen to your opinion in the future. To promote your affiliate marketing products most effectively, you can write a free book or paper on the topic and give it away on your website. You can also convert it into Kindle format and offer it for little to no money on the Amazon site. This will create more interest in your product. Affiliate marketing sites are a great way to buy products. You can see firsthand what other people think of the product that you are interested in, and then buy from there. This will not only allow you to get what you want, but support the person that gave you all the information about the product. A great affiliate marketing tip is to start selling big ticket items. If you can target the right audience, selling big ticket items can make you a lot of money. Affiliate marketing can be an extremely lucrative way to increase your income, but you need to make sure that you are going about it the right way. By using what you've learned in this video, you can avoid common errors and pitfalls and get the most out of your affiliate program. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.